The second criminal trial for Hunter Biden begins. The president's son his spending habits, I should say, and drug addiction expected to be center stage in that California courtroom. Jury selection will get underway in just a few hours. Hunter Biden has pleaded not guilty to charges of tax evasion and filing a false tax return after failing to pay more than $1 million in federal taxes on time. NewsNation's Nancy Liu is outside that courthouse in Los Angeles with more for us this morning. Nancy, good morning to you. This is an extremely high-profile case. What type of questions are going to be asked to ensure Hunter Biden gets a fair jury?
Markie, we've got quite a process ahead here in Los Angeles. The judge has set 2 days for jury selection. 120 candidates will be summoned today with an aim of seating 16, 12 jurors and 4 alternates, and all will have to answer a lengthy questionnaire asking whether they're familiar with this case, but they'll also be asked about their feelings about the IRS, the U.S. tax system, and whether they've ever run into tax trouble. In addition, a question about the 2024 election and whether feelings about any of the candidates would prevent being fair and impartial. Now, this trial delayed due to Biden's trial in Delaware on gun charges, which led to his conviction and possible sentence of 25 years and a $750,000 fine. It remains to be seen whether First Lady Jill Biden and other family members will attend this trial consistently as they did in Delaware. Here in Los Angeles, opening statements are set to start on Monday. And in this case, Hunter Biden faces 9 federal counts for failing to pay $1.4 million in taxes between 2016 and 2019. Now, the money has since been paid, which is why Biden's attorney, Mark Garagos, has argued this case is just about character assassination and sliming Hunter Biden. But the government argues Biden purposely skirted and broke laws in order to fund a lavish, drug-filled lifestyle. Markie.
And Nancy, speaking of the lifestyle, a lot of people have heard the salacious details involved in this case. I mean, Hunter Biden's spending on drugs and escorts, which you mentioned, not to mention a gun. What can we expect as the trial gets underway next week?
Well, Markie, Hunter Biden has admitted and acknowledged to the spending on drugs, strippers, and luxury hotels. And he detailed many instances in his memoir, a book called Beautiful Things. It was while he was in the throes of drug addiction following the death of his brother Beau from brain cancer in 2015. Now, it's not clear yet how many dirty details jurors on this tax case will get to hear. The defense had pushed to keep salacious evidence out, and the judge has said he will maintain strict control over the presentation of such evidence during the trial. Prosecutors have argued it's all fair game since much of it is in Hunter Biden's book, and they point out that partying in hotels with strippers and paying them is fine in America, but listing that as a business deduction is not.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.